All right, that was just our angel food cake that we cut into pieces. We are now bringing in a large bowl here. Now we have a 3-ounce box of strawberry jello, and we have 1 1/4 cup of very hot water. It was boiling earlier, but I don't know if I'd still consider it boiling. Oh, that smells so good. And you're just gonna whisk this up very quickly just to make sure that all of that jello dissolves in here, all those jello crystals. Make sure you get the sides. Oh my gosh, we are making the most perfect summer dessert today. It is so good. Oh, it's such a fan favorite, a family favorite. I'm telling you, so yummy. Oh, we're almost done here already. Look at that. I think those crystals are already nice and dissolved for this super easy and scrumptious dessert that we're making today. Oh, okay, that looks good. Now we have 1 pound of frozen strawberries that we're going to add directly in there. We're just going to give this a little mix. Just want to mix them in real nice, real easy. I love this dessert because it makes me look like a chef or a baker, but I really don't need any skills to make it. That's what I love so much about it. So just get them mixed in, get them nice and coated, super simple. I'd say that's about good. Now we have 8 ounces of thawed out Cool Whip that we're gonna add directly into our bowl. We're adding in the whole container. I love Cool Whip, but if you don't want to use Cool Whip, go ahead and use some homemade whipped cream. We can't forget about that little bit. And now, yep, make sure it's thawed. That'll work much better for this dessert. And you just kind of want to mix it in. Just mix it in, fold it in, however you please. Oh, see, that's exactly what you want. You want it to start looking like that. It's gonna get nice and pink and pastel. Oh my gosh. If you could smell this right now, and it tastes even better than it smells, if you could believe that. So I'm just gonna start mixing it a little bit because we wanna hurry up and get this going because it's so good. Perfect for summer parties, for potlucks, for church, barbecues, any occasion really. This one always takes the cake. You could use any flavor of jello and frozen fruit combo. That looks perfect. Now take your angel food cake pieces and just pour them or place them, I don't know the correct terminology, but you guys will probably tell me, right in to your strawberry jello mixture. And you just want to make sure you get these fully coated in our nice strawberry sauce here. And be gentle with it. Oh, I love angel food cake. It's like a little sponge. It's not as unhealthy for you as other cakes. Oh, it's amazing. So you just want to make sure that your cake basically soaks up this delicious strawberry juice, just like a sponge. See? Super easy. That's all you want to do. Just make sure it is fully coated in this stuff. The pink stuff, the good stuff. All right, that looks good to me. A little messy, but that's okay. All right, now we're gonna bring in our pan here. You can use an 11 by 7 or a 9 by 13. I believe that's what I have here. And we're just gonna pour this right into our pan. It tastes even better than it looks, if you can believe that. So I'm just gonna get all of this yummy strawberry cream out of here and into my pan. I don't want to waste any of it. I don't like wasting anything. Okay. There we go. And we're just gonna flatten this out into our pan. Oh my gosh. I know I've said it a lot of times, but this is so good. I love this dessert. Oh, all right, so just kind of flatten that out into your pan so it looks nice and uniform in here. Just like so. And we'll also go ahead and give this a little shimmy shimmy, just so it's nice and even in here. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is going in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours or until it fully sets. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's nice and set. We had it in there for a while. I know it was like, how long was it? I don't know, like 4 hours? I don't know, but it was a while. So it should be nice and ready. Oh, wow, look. It's so cute. Oh, shimmy off there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good. Look at that strawberry. Oh, it's like a jello. Oh, I'm gonna take a big bite. Ooh, can I do that? I don't know. I was too far ahead of myself on that one. Okay. Ready? Oh, that's the one.